The MK party in the Western Cape in particular has been growing at an alarming rate. Many key people in society in and around the Western Cape have been joining the party, strengthening the party at its foundations right here. But there must be a very interesting reason as to what is attracting people to the MK party. Reverend Petersen tells us his story and why he's so attracted to the party right now and finds the MK party as his political home.
I come from a great community, Manenberg, and I've recently joined MK, looking at their policies, their procedures, what they stand for, and really active in standing up for the communities and being the voice that we so much needed through the years. And that is why I made a decision. And my son, who just graduated from UCT as a political scientist who's paralyzed, is also on his way joining MK. So I'm excited as an activist politician, having served on council, etc., and also regional and provincial. I have now decided to throw my weight in with my various branches of the cadets, having faith and believing in great leaders that's standing up for us within MK. So that's the purpose why I've decided to join MK within South Africa and play an active role in transforming youth, our community, and also my background in the military and policing to fall within that ambit to give advice and guidance to MK. I'm very much aligned to the philosophy, the policies, the ideology, which is life within MK. Within such a short space of time, to have so many seats as the opposition within Parliament says much, due to their philosophy, their outputs, and also utilizing people that has the qualifications, the experience within certain fields. And based on that, I just simply love and adore that people are appointed as per their experience and their past to serve within MK. That, as a transforming leader, a great leader, excites me. So many organizations and political organizations don't do much for the youth of South Africa. They are the future. And, you know, there's a call out there, can we do something about this? And coming from Manenberg, Mitchell's Plain, Hout Bay, and having been with SAPS, I've seen the worst of the worst in our communities. And I was led by the almighty or superpowers, etc., to gather our young people. We have over 100 modules, from behavioral changes, modification, to leadership, to management, to physical training, various skills in leadership for our young people. And for running this for 15 years now, having been involved with the youth for over 40 years, we have 36 branches. This was meant only for Mitchell's Plain. But then we took it further. The demand grew, and I had to go and plant branches throughout the provinces of South Africa. In fact, no political party, no organization came forth to say, Randall, how can we assist? Not monetary, but food. I have children here who has a single mommy, who has a single daddy, or have no parents, who are homeless, and I'm taking care of 6,000 young people from my pocket. But it's out of love, it's out of passion, because Allah Ta'ala, the Lord, actually calls you for this. I'm so grateful to the South African National Defence Force, the Commander-in-Chief, which is the President, that offered the castle to us. To the castle board of directors, I salute you. Our children have a home. They have a castle of no retreat. They have museums to see. We have the right space to teach them and develop them into ethical leaders. And that is what we lack. We have camps, we have hikes, we have excursions. So our training programs is available. So youth 18 or 17, becoming 18 and older, we offer officers' courses for free. To join us on a Saturday at 10 o'clock for membership in joining this wonderful thing, in making a change, in transforming South Africa. Because MK came forth and saying, Randall, how can we help? Nothing political, but the wellness division, the wellness wing of MK touched my heart. And they saw the need of food. They saw the need of poverty. They saw the need of unemployment. They saw the need of discrimination, because certain people can get into certain positions if you are the right color. And our people are still suffering. Tomorrow I'm in Manenberg speaking, how do you live above the circumstances within Manenberg? Because I am a proud product of Manenberg. Imams may join, that's our spiritual division. Ministers may join, pastors may join, and let us unite where we can actually make a huge difference to our young people.